It is the frequent question pops up in parents' head. How to initiate stage daring in my kid? Or how can I teach my kid English? Right guys? So today I'm gonna tell you some easy steps towards that. I'm gonna tell you one activity for the kids. Yes, it is a simple activity by which you can initiate stage daring in your kid and at the same time improve their English. Sounds nice, is it? So before we start, a big hello to all my dear buddies. Hope you're doing well. Thank you for watching Speech for Students. This is Amrita. Welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is public speaking activity for students. Let's get started. The name of this activity is Object Talk Activity. So for instance, I have taken a water bottle as an object here. You can see the water bottle is of red color. Let us move towards the next point. What this activity is about. Guys, basically this activity is for kindergarten and for primary kids. This activity is performed by holding the object in the hand and talk about it. You can choose any object for that. So here as the object taken is water bottle, a kid will talk about the water bottle. Let us move towards the next point. What is the motto of this activity? The motto of this activity is to let the kids explore the world around them, to let them discover the objects around them. A child will use all of his senses to investigate the object. So you will see, it is easy to see that object lesson is a valuable learning tool for kids. I am repeating this guys. Object lesson is a valuable learning tool for kids. Kids learn through active play and exploration, and this activity allows them to learn and retain it. It helps them to understand the concept better through their senses to see, talk and experience. While working with them about this activity, it is very important to ease up the concept to their level of understanding. This activity helps them to connect to something with which they are already familiar. As these young birds are fickle-minded, this activity really helps to engage and maintain their interest by involving them into this process of object talk. Let us move on to the next point. What does this activity cover? Object talk mainly covers the information about the given object. You can take any object for that. The object with which the kid is familiar. Like his or her tiffin box, water bottle, toys, anything. For this activity, you can choose colors also. So whichever color is chosen, you can take object of that color. Very simple. Say, if there is red color for object of, you can take any tiffin box, water bottle or any toy which has a red color. In this video, I am gonna give you ready-made script for this activity. As I have already shown, object taken is water bottle of red color. So take a lot of practice of your kid and prepare them for stage daring as well as in speaking English. So let's get started. Object talk activity. Object taken, water bottle of red color. This is my water bottle. It is of red color. I store my water into it. I bring it to school every day. I drink my water in the recess. I also carry it on the ground. Whenever I become thirsty, it gives me water. I like my water bottle very much. Thank you. So guys, summarizing what we have just talked about, point number 1. What this activity is about. Object talk activity is for kindergarten and for primary kids, and it is performed by holding the object in the hand and talk about it. Point number 2. What is the motto of this activity? The motto is to let the kids explore the world around them, to let them discover the objects around them. Point number 3. What does this activity cover? It mainly covers the information about the given object. You can choose any object with which the kid is familiar. You can choose colors also. And last was the ready-made script for object talk. And object taken was water bottle of red color. So guys, hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to hit the bell icon after subscribing. Give your thumbs up and share it with your friends and relatives. It will really be helpful for someone who really needs it. For simple and easy speeches for kids, you can check my playlist and links given in the description below. Comment me below and tell me how did you like this video. Bye bye. I will come with another interesting topic next time.